Hi folks, Tim here again from High End Cheap Tech. I'm filming this at work on lunch. Just a little intro here. We look like we have a bit of a trend going on in the smartphone industry. Last week we heard about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, a slider phone. Really very cool. Gets rid of the notch. Now Huawei, under their Honor brand, is bringing us the Magic 2. And get this, what do you think is going to happen with it? No notch. It's a slider phone. So we'll get to all the specs and stuff on that here in a few minutes, at least what I have so far. Maybe we're finally going to get rid of the notch, which is something that it works. And maybe we got a new trend going here. Anything to not be like Apple is good. Let's get right to the video. Alright kids, as I promised, I'll give you some specs on this thing before I get to pointing out this video that I'm looking at right now. The Honor Magic 2 has Kirin 980 SoC with a kick butt GPU, 6.4-inch OLED display, 3400 milliamp hour, and considering the Kirin 980 is a 7 nanometer processor, should get decent battery life. It's got 6 cameras. It's got a 40 watt fast charger in the box. Let's not forget this. It's in the box. No have to buy it. There is no headphone jack. It does come with a dongle though. No extra charge. And it has an in-display fingerprint reader. So, Ben did a review on it today over at Ben's Gadget Reviews. He gets his hands on this stuff before anyone else. And let's face it, notch, no notch. That's a Mate 20, notch. That's the Magic 2. Now, obviously, that's an Honor. There's a Mate 20. Cameras are a little better on this one, but go ahead and watch his video. It'll be linked in the description below, along with everything else. He also writes for Forbes. If you want to read an article, here's the whole thing as an article. You get most of the info here too. Now this is very similar to the video and I did the other day on the Mi Mix 3 from Xiaomi. Both these guys are kind of on the poop list here in America, so you don't see a lot as far as their phones go. Hopefully this one will eventually be carried by Amazon. We don't know. We just don't know. But you can get it at GearBest or a few other places. Because if you go to the official Honor site, yeah, you can get the 7X for $199, which isn't bad. But the 8X should be in the same ballpark, and the Honor View 10, I don't know a thing about this one. So, that may be very cool if you're interested. You'll eventually be able to get it through GearBest. all they've got is a pre-sale kind of thing where they'll send you an arrival notice, and they're showing the 8 gig RAM version. You can get it with 6 gig of RAM also. Whatever prices you might see, ignore them. It is available with 128 or 256 of onboard storage. Choose wisely if you're a photo taker. I guess you might want more, but if you're really using up that much and don't have a place to put them, well, you could just get an OTG cable and put them on a flash drive and be done with it. Save yourself a lot of time and effort. That's all I got for today. But this is a trend, folks. Slider phones. Sliders. No notch. No ugly notch. No need to copy Apple anymore. Something as simple as a simple mechanical click, and you're done. I like it. That's just me. Leave your comments below. Please like, subscribe, and share. And all that other good stuff on all those crazy social media sites. I really don't have much else to say, but we got a trend going here. We got Xiaomi, and now we got Huawei. 2 heavy hitters in the Asian market. And please don't say, oh, they make cheap Chinese phones. I like my Apple, which is made in China, and it's a cheap Chinese phone that they bend you over the kitchen table to sell you. All right, that's all I got. We're going to cut it off there before I start ranting on Apple again. Have a good night, folks.